Video, I'm going to show you how to replace the brake light bulb in a Nissan Xterra. Now I'm going to be upgrading to LED bulbs for two reasons. One, they are brighter, so they're easier to see for other people driving. And two, they last a long time. You probably never have to change them again. Let's go ahead and get started. For reference, this is a factory bulb, so you can see how bright this one is. Go ahead and open up the hatch, and that's going to reveal some screws. Two screws we're going to be dealing with is this one right here and here. You're going to need a 10mm socket. Go ahead and loosen those up. Two screws out of the way, you'll notice your housing is pretty loose, but it is still held in there. Don't try to pull it out from the side. There's a pin here and here, and you're going to want to pull it straight back, not at an angle. You don't need to wiggle it. You're just going straight back. So you can get your hand kind of behind the housing. I like to have one hand here at the top, one here at the bottom, and just pull straight back. And you'll see this pin here and here. That's what goes in right here and here. And that's the only thing holding this on are these two pins and those two screws. And don't let it hang by the wiring. You need to have one hand on the housing, and then you're going to use the other hand to change the bulb. Tail light is this one right here at the bottom. So you're just going to turn it to the left or counterclockwise to remove the bulb. Now to get the bulb out of the housing, it doesn't twist or turn, it just pulls straight out. Just like that. Now the replacement bulbs I like to use are Xterra. They're actually really good bulbs, relatively inexpensive, and I'll have that link in the description. Now to install the new bulb, always use latex gloves. Don't ever install bulbs with your bare hands because you will get oil off your hands onto the bulb and it will cause a hot spot. So you just push this bulb straight in, and this goes into the housing a certain way. You'll see these tabs are a little bit bigger, some are a little smaller. We just push down in here and you're going to turn it until it drops down. See how it dropped down like that? So I'm just kind of pushing, turning, it drops down, and then I'm just going to turn a quarter turn, and now it's locked in place. We can go ahead and install the housing. You just want to make sure the wiring's kind of tucked into the housing right here in this slot. And then you're going to line up these two pins right here and here first. And if you look down from the top, you can line up the pins pretty easy. So there the bottom one's in. Now I just need to rotate a little bit. Now the top one's in. And I'm just going to push straight in. You'll hear it lock in place. Now we just need to install the two screws. These screws are going into plastic kind of push nuts, so we do not want to over tighten. So I'm just going to tighten these up by hand. So all I'm going to do is just get those snug. You don't want to strip these out. Now there's the new LED bulb. As you can see, it is quite a bit brighter. Now we can go ahead and do the other side. It's basically the exact same thing. Make sure you don't over tighten, all they have to be is snug. That's all there is to it, guys. The brake lights are changed. Probably never have to touch these again, and they're a little brighter to warn other drivers. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and thanks for watching.